Ask somebody right now to just pick a random point. I don't care what it is. Pick a random point for me, and then we're going to go through my chart. And we're going to take the point and do all of these transformations. Okay? Make sure we know what the heck all these mean. And how do I perform them? If it's a reflection, translation, rotation, how do I do it? All right. So that's what we're going to do. Go through these. And I have one question in your packet I want to go through with you. And then the rest of the time is on you guys. All right, so let's start with a random point. What do you say? 11, you're up. Give me a random point.
2, -4.
All right, like it. 2, -4, everyone. Here we go. First question, first box, lowercase r. That tells me I'm going to do what? That's shorthand for 6. Reflection through the x-axis. So everyone go right ahead. I'll give you a minute. Take 2, -4, reflect it through the x-axis, and let me know where we stand. Okay, when you're ready, where do we stand here? Let me go to somebody else. 11? 2-4. Yep, good work. 2-4. Stop me if you need any explanation. We all good? Actually, I should probably get my own graph paper ready just in case there's questions. Go. Reflection again. Ooh, x equals 3. We've talked about what type of line is that going to be? X equals 3. You're going to reflect it over a blank line. Vertical line. Good. Got to know that going in tomorrow. X equals is vertical. Y equals horizontal. So x equals 3. Everyone should be drawing a dashed or a solid line right through x equals 3, a vertical line. How many units away is 2, -4? Go with that on the opposite side and let me know where you end up. Shouldn't be too far to count, huh? All right, where do you end up there? 4, where do we end up? 4, -4. Good work. Only had to count 1 unit. Questions on that one? What's the third one looking at here? What is that symbol for? That tells me to do a 16. That tells me to do a reflection, rotation, translation. What am I doing if I write it like this? Transforming is all the ones we're doing. Am I reflecting, rotating, or translating? This is translating. Anybody remember what notation this is called? This is vector notation. And I'm getting jacked up about this because there's a question tomorrow where you make the rule and I tell you how to leave it. Vector notation, and then there's another notation which is function notation. If I wrote this one right here in function notation, it'd look like this. X comma Y, gotta have that. Arrow, what am I doing with the X? So -2, so X -2. What am I doing with the Y? Add 3. So this is function notation up here and vector notation up there. I am going to ask you to leave it in both forms tomorrow. So make sure we know how to write it. All right, we know it's translation. Now give me what direction and distance I'm going. -2, 3. What direction and distance you want to go? 12? Left 2 up 3. Let me know what it is in a second. This is all be posted, Jackson. So left 2 up 3. Where am I? Remember, you're going back to the original coordinate there, 2, -4. Left 2 up 3. Two, when you're ready. Left 2 up 3. 0, -1. Good work. We're good there. Next, capital R. What am I doing now? Capital R, 18. Rotation, negative 90. Counterclockwise or clockwise? Negative 90. 15. No 15 today? 15? Clockwise. So everyone right now, if you got 2 -4 in front of you, we turn it where? To the left or to the right? Left or to the right? To the right. Turn it 1/4 turn to the right. Look on your new XY axis. Jot down that new point. And then you go back to the original and graph it. It should have something with a 2 and a 4 in it. If any of you in the class right now memorize the rules, remember this is the same as a rotation of positive 270 if you memorize the rules. Oh boy. Okay. Where's my new coordinate now? 13, new coordinate?
4, 2.
4, 2. I think you went to the left. Move your paper to the right. Lucy, move it to the right. Good. Where's your original point? Okay, go back. 2 -4, right? Okay, where'd you just turn it? Yeah, where are you turning it? You just turned it to your left. So you're going clockwise now, or counterclockwise, right? You got it. The negative 90 is clockwise, right? There you go. Right? Clockwise. So turn it like the clock goes. Now where are you at? There you go. -4, -2. All good, everyone? Turning it to your right. Okay, next up, what am I asking you to do here? Capital T for 17? Translation. And where are we translating it?
3 to the left and 4, or down 4.
Go, everyone. Here you go. 3 to the left, down 4. Good, Aiden. Bless you. All right, let me know. Where you at? 13? Redemption. Come on. Redemption. -1, -8. I like it. Good work. And finally, reflection over y equals -x. This is not something you're going to count. This is a rule we got to remember. One of 2 rules you're going to remember tomorrow. Unless you remember the rotation rules. But 2 rules. Y equals -x. What am I doing to the coordinates? Swap, flip, and negate. Change the sign. Flip them, swap them, whatever word you like, change the sign. Okay? Flip them, change the sign. So now 2 -4, what do you got when you flip them and change the sign? 3. 4 -2. Good work, everyone. Hold on. The other one you got to remember, y equals -x and y equals x. What do you do there? What do you do with y equals x? You just swap them. You don't change the sign, you just swap them, okay, for y equals x. So those are the 2 rules you got to know. Anything here, because now I'll get another random point and you guys are on your own or in your groups. Anything on these? All right, here we go. New point for me, please. Ho, 5, new point for me. We'll try 3 again. New point.
-6, +8.
Woo! Going deep. -6, 8. Go ahead, I'll give you guys plenty of time. Work in your groups, work by yourself, fill in the same exact transformations here. Oh, 14. Have one?
Reflection on the x-axis.
Yeah.
-6,
All good. -6, -8. Good work. Reflection in that vertical line. X equals 3. That vertical line, 2.
It's 9, 8.
I like the 8. I don't think we went over further enough. -6. Ready, Molly? -6 is 9 units away from 3.
Oh, yeah.
So you got to go 9 units further away from x equals 3.
12.
Yep. Good. Everyone's all right there? Translation now. -2, 3. Left 2, up 3. Where you at? 13.
-8, 11.
-8. And just doing my math. Yep. 11. Good work. And then -90. Ooh, okay. I should have done this one. -6, 8. Oof. All right. Got it. 11. -90.
hold up. I
Hold
got
up.
the starting number wrong. What for that one?
Yep. -90.
Yes. 86.
Yep. Got it. How about left 4, down 4? Left 4, down 4, 15.
I got
Left 3, down 4.
-3, 4.
Negative
9, 4.
-9, 4. I like it. Yep. And then y equals -x. Flip and change. 2.
-8.
All right. Any questions? Could throw anything at you here tomorrow. We just went over, make sure we know vector and function notation and your 2 reflection rules, y equals -x and y equals x. Questions? Okay, go to your packet now for me. Go to your packet. I want to do one of the review questions with you. Just so we're all clear, because it's not really stated anywhere, this is the assignment tonight that I'll be checking tomorrow, is day 4, transformation mixed review. Making sure that it's finished for tomorrow. We're going to do one of them right now, and that is, I think it might, no, I don't know what number it is, so I'm not even going to guess. There it is, 7. Let's go to number 7. Okay, I just wanted to take you away from the graph paper now, but still do a rotation and reflection and translation with you. All right, but get you off the graph paper a little bit. So all these directions up here, basically they're saying A, B, C, D is a square, and then these are all E, F, G, and H are all midpoints. Okay, they're all midpoints. So they're halfway in between each of them. All right, let's see if we can do this. This might be a little tough. All right, but complete faith in everybody. Part A, a reflection in EG. Everyone locate where EG is because we're about to flip over it. Everyone see where EG is. What is the image of point B? So I take point B, reflect it over, flip it over EG. What point will it line up with? All right, so take point B, reflect it over EG. Where's it going to line up with? 11? A, got it, point A. Everyone all right on how I flip it over EG? It matches right onto A. All good? All right, let's do that a couple more times, but for different lines and different points. Everyone see my symbol, lowercase r? Now what line are we reflecting over now? Not EG, but everyone look at HF now. Look at HF. And if I take point B, what's in the parentheses, and flip it over HF, where's it going to go? B over HF, 15? Nope. Yes, no? If I take point B, flip it over HF, where's it going? Point C. Yep, point C. All right, what line are we going to reflect over now for part C? AC. So now everyone take point B. Can you flip it over AC and tell me where it goes? Where does point B go now, but now over AC? 11? Point D. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Point D. And then a little challenge for you on this last one. Now reflected over DB. Line DB. Take point B, reflect it over DB. Come on, come on. 12.
D.
There it is, right? I'm going to reflect it over it. It's already on there. So guess where it's going to be? It's going to stay right there. Yep, doesn't go anywhere. If you reflect a point that's already on the line, it stays right where it is. All good? All right, reflections are done. Now can we rotate? Let's see if we can rotate around the center. O. So everyone stay on point B. Stay on point B. Can we rotate at 90? Whoa! 90. Which way? Which way? Counterclockwise. Going to your left. 90. Going to your left. 90. Where would B go to? And I see a lot of you guys turning your paper, which is great. You can still do that. Turn your paper. Look at B's position. Turn it back. What's originally in that position? Right? So you could still turn it. That's fine. You turn B and say, okay, I see where it would be. Turn it back and say, all right, what's there? What would be there originally? So B would, anybody? B would go to where if I rotated at 90? Make sure you go counterclockwise to the left. So it would end up at point 90 degrees. 90, 90. Make sure, hey, these are right angles here, right? So I got to rotate through 90 degrees. So where would it go? Point A. Yep. Where would point E go? Same thing, rotate 90. Where would point E go? So if you want to turn your paper, go ahead, turn it, see where E ends up, and then say, all right, what's originally in E spot? What's in E spot? Going to the left now, not to the right, to the left. Point H. Yep, good. All right, I don't want you to get freaked out. I'm asking you to rotate line segment CF. That's the same as doing point C and point F. That's all it is. Rotate point C and point F, connect them, and see where segment you end up with. Rotate in a line segment, just the same as rotating each individual point. So if you take CF, rotate it 90, where would it end up? Yeah, you can turn your paper still and say, hey, what's originally in that spot? And what is originally in that spot? What line segment now? CF moves to EB. Nice job, everyone. EB. Good work. Ooh, can we rotate an angle? Yeah. Same as rotating the points. Where's A go to? Where's H go to? Is O going to go anywhere? No, O's going to stay there because we're rotating around it. So O stays O. Now I just got to figure out where A and H go and make a new angle. And that new angle is angle AOH, 90 degrees, goes to DOG. Yep, that spells dog. Good job, everybody. Because A would go to D, H would go to G. And O stays right where it is because we're rotating around it. And then finally, the only thing I didn't cover with you is, can we do a translation? Sliding it. And the answer is yeah, we can. So here's the deal, because I'll pull this on you tomorrow. Translation. Hey, translation. So you know you're sliding up, down, left, and right. E's going to D. So right now, I'd like you guys to try to figure out, how do I move E onto D? Up, down, left, right, how many spots? So figure that out right now on your own. So to go from E to D, how many spots am I moving? Up, down, left, right? And I'd like you to do the same thing. What is the image of B under that rule? Under that same translation, where's B go to? So E goes to D. Do the same movement on B now. So if you're going E to D, where do you go? Left one and down two letters. Left one letter, down two letters. All right, do it again. Good. Now start from B. Left one letter, down two letters. You end up at point. There you go. Good work. And I am done here. The rest is on you now. All right, whether you would like to work in your groups or on your own, answers are on Classroom. All right, I'll check it before the quiz tomorrow. So you guys have, looks like 14 minutes to try some stuff out on your own. Let's get rolling.